In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the owner of a Google Calendar event in Chrome. To get started, open Google Calendar in your Chrome browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once your calendar is on screen, look through your schedule and find the specific event you want to hand off to someone else. This is useful when you've created a meeting or appointment, but another person now needs to take over responsibility for managing it. When you find the event, click on it once to open the event preview. This small pop-up gives you a quick look at the event details. From there, click the pencil icon to open the full editing view. This takes you into the event settings where you can make changes beyond the basic preview. If you don't see the pencil right away, make sure the event pop-up is fully open and not hidden behind anything else on your screen. Inside the Edit Event view, move your attention to the top toolbar area. Here, you'll see several options related to the event. Look for the More Actions drop-down menu and click it to open the list. This menu contains additional tools that aren't shown directly on the main editing screen, so it's a common place to find advanced event options. From that drop-down list, select Change Owner. This option is what allows you to transfer ownership of the event to another person. After choosing it, Google Calendar will guide you through the ownership transfer process. Be sure to review any prompts that appear on screen carefully, since changing the owner may affect who can edit the event, send updates, or manage responses from guests. As a helpful reminder, this feature is typically available only for events you created, and it may also depend on the type of Google account or organization settings you're using. If you don't see the Change Owner option, it may not be enabled for that calendar or account, and that's it. The process is simple once you know where to look. Open Google Calendar in Chrome, select the event, click the pencil icon to edit it, open More Actions, and choose Change Owner. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the handoff and your event will be transferred to the new owner.